I'm here at the Juvenile and Probate Court here in Hancock County, talking with Judge Kristen Johnson about the state of your building. And I came in with kind of a slight grasp on the state of your building, but the tour that you were giving today kind of really nailed that home. So what can you tell me about the issues you've had with this building?
Well, we certainly have issues with the stability of the second floor, the issues with the space that we have on the first floor. We do have a couple offices on the second floor available, but we can't put too many people up there because the amount of weight that it can withstand, it limits what we can do with that. And the stairs, I don't know if you noticed the stairs, they're sort of almost sideways, so it's difficult to get up there. We have a lot of issues with the building, quite frankly.
I saw holes in ceilings. How does that affect your ability to use those rooms?
Well, we can't use those rooms. We have, obviously the courtroom here is fine, except for the space. It's very limited. And it just makes it so that we have to combine people. We have a couple probation officers in the same office. They can't meet with anybody there. They have to make sure that there's another space for them to meet. You can't put people in bad offices to work. Although those front offices, we have some people up there, and they might tell you those probably aren't appropriate either, but we do what we can with what we have.
Gotcha. So walking around upstairs where you keep most of your files, I noticed there's almost no one up there. Is that because it's just not safe to have those people up there?
Right. There is a limit of 12 pounds per square foot that we can have up there, so we can't have any file cabinets in the front where the offices are. We can only have a certain number of people up there. So we have a records office person up there. We also have Century Health does some treatment up there. So those are the only two people we can do at this time. So we have two or three offices unused, but we can't use them safely.
Gotcha. And it's the sales tax issue that is going to help get a new building. Is that right?
Right. There's a couple things with the sales tax. The one thing is addition to the jail, which is beds needed because the jail has been full for 10 years. But in addition, it would be a building for us to go into. And I know a lot of people have talked about, do you need an administrative building? But this is a courtroom. This is a courthouse. I know we think of the main courthouse as our only courthouse, but we actually have three in Findlay. We have the municipal courthouse, we have the main courthouse, and we have the juvenile probate courthouse. And so this courthouse would be moved to that building since there would be more space.